Abanana. Alright, so this video it's on applications. Well, okay, let me tell you guys a story. My rater that is working on my account for me, so I don't need to make some account, and he was telling me that there's no project at the moment. I was like wondering, but this job that's been going on, and even from the group where we are, people are having accounts. So when he said when he tried to get into the Crowdgen that it was impossible, like getting the tax and accounts are entering review. So he was rejected 3 times, and he was kind of almost quitting because he already told me there's no need making new applications. Let's just work with the accounts we have. And then I discovered that there's one simple, illegal change that that has been unlocked in Hydra. Like if you're applying for Hydra, the Project Coffee and Sonic Contelus. So by the end of this video, I will walk you through exactly what I did step by step to create and verify the Crowdgen accounts for the US and UK and even for France, and also for Telus for Project Sonic. So you'll be learning how to do it the right way and how I started getting tags and earning real money online. So stay with me through, and towards the end of this video application, I will tell you one bonus tip that literally doubled everything. The approvals and tax loading. My accounts enter review and tax were loading. So this is Tech Freelance Hub. So if you want Crowdgen jobs, Crowdgen verification tips and real ways to make money online with AI annotation and rating jobs, hit the like button and also subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we upload new videos to this channel. So this is not just a video, this is a hacked video, and it's a real story and a real application method, live on record on the tricks that works right now. These are the tricks that work currently to make accounts. So 2 months ago, we'll be making accounts and project loading, do some get terminated, some enter review. So I sat in my kitchen table. I was kind of scrolling, checking accounts. I was beat out of the accounts that were gone. I don't know if it was the raters that were not doing it perfectly, but I found out that there is an update in Telus. If you even notice currently, if you are taking the exams like the tests, you notice the questions are no longer the same. So they are kind of updating their method, trying to reduce people that are giving poor quality ratings and all of it. I was just scrolling through the Crowdgen listings, and I heard people saying from the group Project Hydra and Coffee pay well. Yeah, they pay well, and we made more accounts, keep making more accounts because the tasks were not actually, we're not doing maximum hours. So I was kind of wondering what could be the reason before discover the tricks and how to make all of this. I know even for Project Sonic tags, they load faster if for the person that have been applying for Telus. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply the Project Hydra, the coffee, how to get more tasks, how to verify the account. So once you are verified and in. So I created my first Crowdgen account and filled the profile, uploaded the ID, waited for it to pass the this thing compliance check, and it got rejected not just once, not 3 times. So each rejection felt personal. So maybe it's region lock or something. So I thought maybe I did something wrong. So I was angry and confused. So honestly, it's kind of a bit embarrassing. So I don't know if you ever felt that way. Like you see the job, you follow the instruction, but the dashboard says empty, there are no tasks. So you are not alone. So here's the turning point. Rather than chasing shortcuts that won't get you anywhere, just follow this application method. So if you are staying in the United States, you don't need to use proxy. If you are staying in the United States, you don't need to use proxy. But if you're not staying in the United States, maybe you're applying from Nigeria, you're applying from Ghana, you're applying from any other country, you need proxy to be able to do this. So you need a proxy and you need an ID from the country. If it's US account you're making, you need an ID from US. If it's a UK account, you need an ID from UK. If it's France account, you need an ID from France account. So the details on the ID is what you're going to be using to make your application. What you're going to be using to file the applications on with your proxy being connected. So doing this way is a shortcut You understand? So I audited every part of my profile, reread the Crowdgen verification guidelines slowly, and made a careful, legitimate improvement. So I changed how I presented the experience, cleaned up the documentation in the CV, and also applied strategically for the projects like the project Hydra and the coffee. So I decided to play the long game and focus on being a trustworthy, verifiable contributor. So and that made a really really big difference. So just stick around, and I'll give you the exact wordings I used in my CV. Filling the Crowdgen profile, because you need actually a verifiable number. You need to get a number that will receive OTP. You need a verifiable number. So let me give a quick context for the viewers. Crowdgen, for the persons that are maybe joining for the first time, maybe this is your very first application you want to make on Crowdgen. So Crowdgen is a platform that connects remote workers to AI labeling, rating and annotation jobs, like in the project Hydra and coffee, which is all about baseline, Apple baseline, and project Sonic. So the ratings are common tasks. They involve classifying data, rating search results, annotating images or videos, and providing high quality human input to train AI models. So these are Crowdgen jobs in the AI space, and it's perfect for anyone. So if you're looking for a remote job, side hustle, or a work from home AI job, then Crowdgen is a great choice. So Crowdgen verification is strict for a reason. It's strict for a reason. Companies need high quality, reliable workers. So if your profile looks shady, incomplete or inconsistent, you will get rejected. So that's just a normal thing. So the solution to this, if you want to apply for US accounts outside your region, so the solution to this is making a fake profile. So just get a legitimate ID that can be verified. ID with the this thing, get an ID, get that the selfie of the photo, the current selfie of the ID. So you're providing a legitimate verification, just that you are going to be using some software to run that. So step one is to it's a full profile audit in your CV. Remove vague lines. Just use the same detail that is on the ID to file your CV, and also to fill your profile in the Crowdgen. Then the next thing is to prepare your ID for the verification, because immediately you're done with the application, next thing is to make an ID verification. So you make an ID verification, make the ID verification, also verify your phone number. So that's the next thing to do. And Crowdgen often looks at phone verification and email. So use a real email that receives a mail. Don't go and use a random emails. Use a real email. Either you use Outlook or Gmail. Then get a phone that can receive SMS. If Crowdgen asks for a proof of address, just use a legitimate utility bill or bank statement. So these are the standard requests for remote platform to ensure trust. So when you do this, that's the only way you can receive your payment. But don't pay your account should enter review. So that's all the thing. And if you check our previous videos, I've made videos on each of the tests. Like I've made videos on many of the tests, and have the answers provided in the site where you can get them. Just download them from the website there. So many Crowdgen projects require you to pass tests or complete training. So don't rush those study guidelines. But if you want to speed up everything, you can just get already made already written exams, the answers. Like for the Hydra and coffee tasks, the answers are already on this channel. Even Project Ruby, that one is on the RWS. The answers are also here. So, but if you want to just practice them on your own to know these things, how they work properly, you can practice the sample data sets, or if they give any available one, or you can use a testing account just to test run your speed and how you understand the projects properly. Because quality rating will also help your account to last longer, and you enter under review or get terminated. So follow these methods to apply strategically. Don't just spam different projects, just be applying. Make sure you pass the tests. So that you could get the job, and pass above the quality score, so that you can be having tax in your dashboard. That's the way you can be having tasks in your dashboard. So let me point out some quick list of mistakes that lead to Crowdgen rejections, like inconsistent names on document. Like if the name you used in your application is not matching the name on your ID you are using, that's already a red flag. Maybe the ID you want to use for your verification is blurry. Those things, they will make your account not to go successful. And another thing is that will make you not to be having tasks is giving low quality ratings. You have to fix this stuff first of all. And at the end of this video, I will show you a bonus, trust signal. You can add to your profile that help me to to be having tasks, and my accounts are now lasting longer. And we are making new accounts every day, giving to raters. And yeah, that's it. Kind of checklist. If you want the profile template, kind of checklist for documentation and links to the jobs and to training resources I use, you can check the description. From the channel description, I've pinned everything there. Drop a comment with your biggest Crowdgen pain point, and I will reply with specific advice. So alright, so if you've learned something, like the video, subscribe, and share with friends who are trying to earn money online. Remember that there is no other way to do all these things. Like if you want to make a US account, there's no way you can make a US account without you having an ID from the country and using proxy or RDP. So just stay persistent, apply properly, apply the right way. Follow the step I've shared, like on screen. Make sure you watch to the end. Follow the process, take the exam, take the verification, and take the test.